Hello drone lovers, my name is KM, welcome to my channel. Well, first, do you know what this is? Oh, today I'm not going to come and discuss about this. This is a local fruit we call duku langsat. Well, anyway, let's put this aside. Today I'm going to talk about Cygnet. Yes, I finally finished changing the parts for the Cygnet after it fell into the sea and got salt water all over. So basically this, you can say, is a total repair for this Cygnet. Okay, let me explain what I have done to change and to modify this. Basically, the Cygnet fell in the sea, so everything basically just goes bad. I changed one part at a time. So I changed the ESC. Okay, the ESC, I changed it first, and then it couldn't work. The FC has to be changed as well. And after I changed the FC, the RunCam Split Mini 2 is working, but I just decided to try out the Caddx Tarsier. So I put in a Caddx Tarsier complete with the camera into the Cygnet. And I also have a spare r-xsr lying around. The Cygnet comes with an XM Plus, so I changed to an r-xsr. And at the same time, I bought a new pair of antennas. This is meant for r-xsr. This is, I measured, it was about 30 mm. The one that came with the Cygnet is for the XM Plus. It was also 30 mm. But I do not know why the original r-xsr the old r-xsr that I had is only 25 mm. So I changed the antenna to a 30 mm one. And 30 mm seems to be closer to the 2.4 GHz wavelength. And also I changed the capacitor. This capacitor is here itself. The original is 330 microfarad. I changed to a 470 microfarad one. And okay, not only that, I also changed the motors. You notice here is a Raystar motor. The rear motors are still the Get RC ones. Okay, and today I'm using this battery. This is the R-Line 750 mAh 95C 4S battery. So this is I think one of the best batteries I felt that works very well with this, and it's still below 250 grams. It's only 232. Yeah, 232 grams. So that's it. So if you like to watch the flight, carry on. I have the flight video next, and after the flight video, I will also share what I did to the quad. Not only did I change the parts, I have updated the Betaflight to 4.2.2 using the 10.7 Betaflight configurator. And with Betaflight 4.2.2, there are a lot of changes. I also set the throttle value, the idle throttle value, and also the idle mean RPM value, which gives this quad a very good hang time during the inverted power loop. What else did I change? Okay, nothing much. I put everything as default as possible in the pits. I only changed I use the basic rates. As you can see, later on I will show some screenshots of what I have set in Betaflight in the end of the video. Well, let's not delay any longer, and let's continue on with the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can receive future videos. Bye bye, have a nice day.